Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. So this is just going to be a quick little video talking about MC011, and if you don't know what MC011 is, it is a eBay restriction that is pretty difficult to get rid of. It's not impossible to get rid of, but it is pretty tough. It's probably the second toughest eBay restriction to get rid of. So basically, how can you remove this? And I've done content before sort of talking about what it is, things like that, what causes it. It's basically caused by getting a lot of sales really fast and eBay being kind of sketched out and thinking, I wonder if all these products are genuine or did they steal them or something, and that's why they can sell them at good prices and that's why they're getting a lot of sales. It's that kind of thing. It's like eBay wants to make sure that the products you're selling you actually have, and you didn't get them some sort of shady way or anything like that. So what can you do if you have MC011? How can you get rid of it? Well, basically they're going to ask you for invoices, and they're going to want proof of that you bought your items and stuff. And I've seen it seems about 50-50. About like half of people that get this are not able to, I'd say actually maybe a little bit more than half, are not able to resolve it. They submit proof. Some people will just like take screenshots of their Amazon and submit that. Doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't really work at all. I haven't seen much success with the people who do that. Now I personally, even though I have a ton of experience with eBay and I've been dropshipping for a long time, I have been very fortunate in that I have not gotten MC011, even though I run like 12 accounts. So I have not gotten MC011 myself, but I have a lot of friends that do dropshipping too, and I have a friend that recently got MC011 and they were able to get it removed. And I'm not exactly sure the entire process, but it can be like, I know there are websites and things like that that'll be like, oh, we can remove this suspension for you, but it's like ridiculously expensive. It's like really, and then you never know if they're actually going to do it or if they're just going to try to run away with your money and stuff. But so I had a friend that found a website, had gotten a recommendation from somebody, found a website that can remove MC011 for you. I don't know the entire process. Basically, I would assume it has to be something along the lines of they're really good at talking to reps and making them like them, and just, they know the process and how to get it removed. I'd assume they probably don't have like some insider at eBay. I think that would be way too complicated. But basically this website, they're offering the service of MC011 removal, and it's not that expensive, this website, because I've seen other ones that they're like, oh yeah, $3,000 we'll remove MC011. It's like, geez, that's way too much. But this website is charging a lot less than that. I'm not going to say the price because I don't want to date the video, because I don't know if they're going to like change it or anything. But I'm going to link the video. I'm going to link the website below because, like I said, I have a friend that used it and it worked well for them. They said it was great and was super helpful. And I think it took like a week. And they were able to get it all fixed and everything. So like I said, I've talked to them a little bit about this. I'm going to put the link to that website down below here. Yeah, and it was affordable. It wasn't cheap, but it was affordable. Definitely like worth it to be able to get your account back if you've gotten MC011. And like I said, this is, I haven't personally used them myself, but I have a friend that did and said that they were great, and we're able to reinstate their MC011 account. So go ahead and click the link down there if you want. I might reach out to them. I haven't yet, but I might reach out to them and see if they can give me any kind of like discount or anything for the YouTubes. And if they do, I'll put a link down there. I don't know if it'll be like a click link or if you have to put in a code, but if you look down there, there'll be the link, and then if I've got a discount code, or maybe it's just a link that saves a little bit. But maybe, maybe they won't get back to me and they'll be like, no. But anyway, yeah, site that works. The dude there can get rid of MC011 for you. He knows the process. And yeah, link down there. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. If you're new to dropshipping and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. It goes over everything you need to know about how to get started making money online. And the average person following my method makes around $500 to $800 profit per month after expenses for each 1,000-item eBay store that they have set up and running. They're really not that hard to get started. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started with hundreds of other dropshippers that you can join. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and click the notifications, and I'll see you back here with another video in a couple days.